How to record Zoom meeting on laptop. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can record a Zoom meeting on laptop. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up Zoom desktop application, and once you have opened it up, make sure that you're logged in into your account. After that, you have to start a meeting. So click on new meeting and then start your meeting. Click on start button. So once the meeting has been started, there hover your mouse over to the meeting screen, and there navigate at the bottom right corner. There is an option as more. You have to click on this more option from the toolbar, and from this menu box there you'll have an option to record. So click on record. You can either choose to unmute yourself or to continue without audio. So once the recording started, you will see a small recording icon at the bottom right corner right here. So everyone in the meeting will be notified that the session is being recorded. You can either pause or stop the buttons in the toolbar as well. So once you want to end the meeting, simply click on end, and then you can simply end it for all. After that, your meeting records will be saved and converted into the audio. So you will find your recording under your documents, under your Zoom, under your documents directory, and under the Zoom folders. So in this way you can record Zoom meeting on laptop. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.